And spells Rilynn. B-I-S spells Rilynn. Yes, it spells Rilynn. Daddy, talk to me.
I'm talking. Hi.
She's fine.
Just talk to me.
I'm talking to you.
She slept from
July 5th, 2014.
9:30
How old are you, Rilynn?
26.
She had been
2 and 6?
good sleep. So.
Really?
So what are you guys doing for breakfast? I see.
Good job.
You raised my hand.
Really? Can you draw a truck? Draw Grandma's truck.
So how many
can't.
birds
You can't?
slept in there?
Draw Grandma. Can you draw Grandma?
That's Grandma.
Grandma's right there? Okay. And
The,
what's that?
the butcher.
And then there's a whole big bag, like grocery bag full of seeds.
Ugh, whatever that is. Wow.
I have some, YouTube
Look at those circles and squiggles.
You can do a long process or a quick
The
one,
wheel?
and
Yes, the wheel.
That's the wheel.
Yeah.
but you can line
And
them
this
and
Grandma's
put them
shoe.
Grandma's
Do
shoe.
it like you do on
Wow.
So I salt them and throw them in the oven at like 175 for like an hour.
You got something to say to Grandma?
Until the seeds start to crack a little bit. and
What are you
then-
going to say to Grandma when you see her?
Next time.
Next time? You going to see her next time? What are you going to say to her next time?
B-I-S-B-I-N.
B-I-S, B-I-N?
Yeah, for Grandma.
Grandma?
Maybe you're.
Yeah.
All right.
B-I-N spells Grandma. It's but Grandma sometimes.
It does.
No, but you're doing some
It's one for every day.
sometimes. Okay.
When you're,
Okay.
when you're on
This
the
is
truck,
how you
you're
make
gonna
this.
see them.
Nice. Yeah. This is
Oh.
Grandma. And this turn this right there. And this make this 9, 10. My puppy missed me.
All right.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, let's go get her.
Hmm.